Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and take a look at Intego Antivirus. I went ahead and downloaded the trial. I am using Windows though. This will be for Windows. They advertise it for Mac more than anything, but we're going to try it on Windows this time. If you here's the website. You go to intego.com and then you go up here to our products. You can choose either Mac or Windows. Like I said, we're going to try Windows this time, and you can download a free trial. This is a free trial here. Hold on, let me go back over here. So here, this is what it looks like here, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. Right off the bat, it looks like it's pretty user-friendly. Real-time protection is right here. You can turn it off and on. Web Shield is on. Prevention engine is on. Suspicious behaviors are being monitored. So this is active protection, guys. It'll be actively protecting you. It does have a files cleanup here. What I'm trying to do is go to the scan. Okay, so let's see what they have. They have a quick scan. I don't recommend ever doing quick scans, guys, because those are, I call them cheap scans. They really don't get everything. What I recommend is you do a complete scan. And it's going to start it right now. Now, I like apps where you can actually go do other things while it's scanning, and it looks like it does let you. That's good. You can go do other things while it's scanning on the app itself. Some other apps will just straight up stop. We're going to go to our task manager, however. We're going to go to resource monitor. We're going to try to see how much resources it uses when scanning, because that's one thing we got to look at. We don't want our computer to slow down too much. Trying to see where it's at. It's not even showing up as one of the top memory users here. That's good. Okay. My video capture program is using more than it, so that's not bad. That's not bad at all. CPU wise, I don't see it on here. CPU's only now keep in mind I have the i7 processor, which is pretty powerful. I mean, it's probably outdated by now. It's like the i9, I think, but it doesn't using much CPU here. So for the i7 processor, it doesn't matter what processor you have. It looks like you're not going to be in too much trouble there. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Oh, there it is. Intego. Here it is, and it's not using much. Looks good, guys. Looks good. Intego is not using much. I'm trying to find the. Yeah, it's not even on the top. So it's good for that. It doesn't use much of your CPU or RAM, so that's good on your computer. And it's going to take a long time. I recommend, it might take all day, depending on how many files you have on your computer to do a virus scan. But looks like I like it. I want to see the other features here. I'm going to cancel the scan for now. I know that I don't have a virus. I shouldn't have one. I'm going to stop the scan. I want to look at the other features that we have here. It's taking a while. Come on. While we wait for that. Okay. There we go. So you could do scheduling. You can actually schedule when you want to do a scan. I recommend you do it when you're asleep. I like to usually do Sundays, like at night. That helps out a lot. You could pick either a complete or a quick scan, and it tells you here you could turn it off or on the scanner. So that the scheduled scan, so that's good. The scheduled scan is always good. I like to see that. You could do a custom scan. You could literally just drag and drop, or click here, choose specific location, and look for the file you want to specifically scan. If you want to see your quarantined list, it will be right here. So not too bad. Not too bad. We are going to see how much it costs, though, here in a bit. And I will give you my honest opinion to see if it'll be worth it. Any file you add, open, or change will be scanned real-time protection. So real-time protection is on. So all this is on. So that's good. It's got those features. It's got the antivirus scan. You can do scheduled scans. So far, so good. Let's see what they have for optimization. So run a complete checkup of your device. Free up disk space. Large file scan. Oh, see, you could find large files to delete. That's not bad. Duplicate file scan. That's good too. That's cool. Let's do the complete checkup scan. See what it finds. While it does that, I'm gonna look at everything else here. Settings. You can change the. Can you change? Looks like you can't change the language really. here you can go under security and really start to tweak it a little bit more. So it's a basic antivirus program, really. I mean, it's got the web shield and all that. I don't see anything about protecting against, what do they call it? Ransomware. Does it protect against ransomware? I don't know. Okay. While it's doing that, let's take a look at more of the features here. It says, okay, web shield, financial protection, but nothing about ransomware. See, nowadays ransomware is what's happening, guys. If you're going to pay for something, make sure it's got ransomware. So this is what it's going to cost. For one PC per year, it's $40 per year. If you're going to do 3 PCs, it's $55 per year. 5 PCs will be $70 per year. But it doesn't have ransomware. So it basically is just a basic antivirus program. In that case, I would just get one of the free antivirus programs, which we made lots of videos about in this channel. And I wouldn't pay that. I really wouldn't pay. If all you're getting is just antivirus and real-time protection and all this stuff, really, guys, there is free, like AVG free antivirus. There's Avast. Those are really good ones, and they're free, and they will do all this. So is it worth it? Probably not. We wanted to take a look at it. I like the way they have it all set up. If you decide to go with it, it's really easy to use, guys. It's all set up right here. Go to antivirus, scan, boom. You know. Let's go ahead and take a look at what PC Mag. It's always good to look at PC Mag, see what they say about it. We will only be able to see the one for Mac, though. We're using Windows in today's review. Their bottom line is lab certified to protect against. See, this is for Mac, though. They don't have one for Windows. I would think it's almost the same. We'll go with it. Comes with a personal firewall. Good choice. I didn't see the firewall in there. We'd like to see it add detection of malicious and fraudulent web pages. Like I said, it doesn't get everything. It's PC Mag gave them 3.5 out of 5. So we're gonna give them the same thing. We're gonna give them. Actually, I'm gonna give it 3 out of 5. You know, mediocre detection. That's not good. Of the Windows malware. Oh shoot, the Windows one. No detection of malicious or fraudulent websites. Even though it says it's got a web shield. On-demand malware scan. On-access malware. Does not have website rating. No malicious URL blocking. No phishing protection. No behavior-based detection. No vulnerability scan. It does have a firewall, though. And sometimes they do run a test. Let's see if they have a test for this one. Here it is. Phishing protection. Where's Intego? We're looking for Intego. Oh, here it is. Intego, no phishing protection. Huh. Here's the firewall. How come I didn't see it? I think only the Mac has the firewall. Yeah, I don't recommend it for Windows, guys. I recommend this better for Mac. But that's it. We looked at it. Cool. So I found a bunch of files that I probably want to clear out. But that's it, guys. I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5. Thanks for watching. I only recommend this if you have Mac. If you have Windows, it looks like they kind of skimped out on Windows users. So only 3 out of 5. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll make a lot more videos on all the antivirus apps. Used to call them programs, now they're apps. We'll see you later.